Good morning all. Good morning. Welcome to the group discussion session. Today the topic for group discussion is impact of social networking sites on youth. Interesting topic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have 10 minutes time and now the time is yours. You can start the discussion.
Good morning all, this is Srividya. Today our group discussion topic is impact of social networking sites on youth. Social networking services are the services that allows us to connect with many people worldwide and also helps us to interact with many business officials and to set up groups with them.
Yes, Vidya. This is Nihita. I'm going to tell some advantages by using social networking. It has become a globalized thing and it is an integral part of everyone's normal schedule. It is very useful to us in the way of advertising any products. There are so many apps like official and some personal apps like LinkedIn, Facebook, MySpace, Skype. Because of all these, our economical status can be improved.
This is Manikanta. I disagree with you because it is causing exploitation, endless exploitation and abuse, and it causing you behavioral tendencies and consequences changes, and it is becoming addicting to you.
Yes, Manikanta, this is Nirima. I completely disagree with you. Due to this social websites, we can have very good communication. Communication in the sense not having communicated with persons or people who are far away. Communication also means in the sense we can have very good communication between students and lecturers, getting updated with new assignments, new PowerPoints. It reduces the time to come to the college and it reduces wastage of time. Hence, I think it's very useful for particularly communication.
Sorry to interrupt Nirima, this is Apurva, but I disagree with you. Because of these social networking sites, nowadays face-to-face connections are endangered because people spend much time in front of social networking sites and neglect people who are around them. So that face-to-face connections and human relations are being damaged. I hope so.
Sorry to interrupt, Apurva. This is Vikram. What you raise is that the interconnection between the people were damaging, right? But what I raise is it helps to expand our business, right? If you want to advertise, if you advertise in a social networking sites, it gives your brand, it's brand popularity, right? So I think it helps much when compared to negatives.
Vikram, I like your point. And not just marketing. We can even develop young entrepreneurs.
Yes.
Okay, Pawan, but according to the Western Business School of Medicine study, hyper-networking, that is spending more than 3 hours online, and texting more than 120 messages a day, correlated with unhealthiness, behavioral changes, and leading to the bad habits like smoking, drinking, etc. And it's also associated with depression, suicide attempts, substance abuse, poor sleep patterns, and poor academic performances.
Yes, I agree with you on point. Yes, I agree with you. This leads to the reduced focus of students on learning. They are addicting only to social networks. Of course, it is helpful, but there are many disadvantages regarding this. Example, cyberbullying is nothing but harassing a person without knowing to him and feeling his price.
Of course, Manikanta, there may be disadvantages, but there are advantages too. Like in today's society, girls don't have any safety. These social networking sites, like particularly WhatsApp, it provides a very official website giving a phone number to all the girls so that they can make or send a photo to that number so that they will be rescued within seconds. It's all just because of social networking publications. They telling that to the whole world. Also, it's more advantageous.
Yes, Nirima, I agree with you. Not only this, while coming to the voting percentage, when compared to last election, because of the social networking sites, the voting percentage also gradually increased to 43%. So it helps us.
Yes, Vikram, I agree with your point. And one more point with this politics is even we can build up an election campaign. For example, Dutch politics are very much influenced by the social networking sites. Actually, they will have their publicity in only social networking sites. That could be easily published. It could easily reach to each and every person.
This is very useful for them because last day we have a death from soldiers from Punjab. It is very fastly sent to all the users of social network sites like Facebook. At the same time, we can share our ideas, thoughts, and everything very fastly through social networking sites. And also it helps us to know many profiles like Gandhiji's profile and many other famous profiles, not only who are passed away, also the present scientists and everyone also. It helps as a professional tool for us.
Yes, Vidya, I completely agree with you. It's not only about showing all the views very fastly, it's really very fast. I agree with you. That's we'll not have any transportation problems firstly to know. We'll have very less transportation problems, and even girls going out at midnight, we'll rescue a lot of problems. We can sit in home and get all the information within seconds. And even it's not like a snail mail. When we keep a mail, it doesn't take hours and hours to reach our hands. It will go within seconds. It's all due to social networking.
Yeah, I
hope
agree
so.
with you.
Yeah, with the help of these social networking sites, we can express our emotions more than. And one example is the Egyptian revolution. With the help of this Egyptian revolution, the president of Egypt have gone. He had gone outside because of this Facebook revolution. So this affects a lot for politics.
Not only advantages, there are many disadvantages too. We have a lot of advantages. But coming to disadvantages, it's a time wasted using social networking. If I don't specify that it's a complete time waste, but people doesn't understand the value of time. They think something else and go on using networking sites like Facebook, WhatsApp. And not only that, we see many cases like identity thefts also we see in such sites.
I don't completely support you, Apurva, because using social networking site doesn't mean friending, commenting, and communicating. It is one of the platform for the students and the people like teachers. It is a good platform. They can exchange the past papers and some posts regarding educational views. Why don't you think in that view rather than telling the disadvantages? Because advantages can overcome the backdrops.
Sorry to interrupt, Mita. You were saying there is many advantages. But coming to the crimes, all of you are saying with respect to it is sharing our emotions and but it also leading to the death of innocent guys. For example, you are all know about cyberbullying. It is harassing other persons and posting rumors of creating himself as a hatred in other minds. This leads to death of the innocent guy.
Yes, I support Manjana because it leads to many psychological problems too. Because when a person is harassed, he'll get mentally disturbed, so that he loses everything, contact with the world, etc. So it leads to psychological disorders.
Yeah, I disagree with Apurva. I don't completely deny with you. I mostly agree with Nihita. Like advantages can overcome disadvantages. Today's world is run mostly on information. We get 80% of information only through network sites. Yeah, friends, it's time to conclude now. We all have expressed our positive and negative views on social networking very well, and for everything we'll have advantages and disadvantages. We need to learn. We have to stay focused on advantages, and we should not let yourself get distracted with disadvantages. Finally, social networking enhances our lifestyle, but it should not endanger our life. Thank you.
Okay, that was a good discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.